Hello, everybody. I'm Seth Weissman, and welcome to another episode of Safe Real Estate. Today, I want to talk about an issue we've been having recently with regards to the termination and release agreement and disbursement of earnest money form. And actually, those are two different forms that GAR has merged and put onto one page, but they do completely different things. The first part of the form is where a party is terminating the contract. The second part of the form is where a party is consenting or suggesting as to what the proper disbursement of earnest money should be. And recently, we have run into a spate of situations where one party or the other fills out the disbursement of earnest money section of the form, but does not fill out the upper part of the form in which the party terminates the contract. And if all you do is fill out the bottom part of the form, I'm actually not sure that that constitutes a termination. If anything, I think what it likely is a proposal with respect to the disbursement of earnest money that might be construed as a request to mutually terminate, but it is by no means a termination. So in talking to all of my realtor friends, I want to remind you that when you are using the termination and release form and the disbursement of earnest money form, please remember they are two separate forms merged into one, and both parts of the form must be filled out. And frankly, many years ago, that form was two separate forms, which we merged into one. And I'm not sure it wouldn't be a good idea at some point to break out the form into two different sections so that people recognize that they serve completely different purposes. Although if we did that, we might be solving one problem and creating another. But the key point, again, is when you are using that form, you must have your client sign both parts of the form. The upper part is to terminate, the bottom part is to propose a disbursement of earnest money. I hope this episode of Safe Real Estate has been beneficial. As always, it's great to see everybody. Please continue to tune in. And if you like these programs, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks, and bye now.